Hey friends, financial friends. Um, just wanted to give you the latest updates on penny stocks and warrants. So if you are new, welcome. And if you are um already subscribed, we thank you for supporting the channels. And also please hit the subscribe button, likes, and hit the notifications bell. We need to keep on building this channel because um as you know, I will bring the necessary information that you need to continue investing in penny stocks, but you need to keep on building the channel. So the way we can keep on building the channel is to recommend it to your friends, family members, and also you need to subscribe so we can continue on building the channel because the channel is about building. That's what it says, build. So because we're building from penny stocks and then to increase our portfolio, to increase the amount that we invest. When you come to penny stock, you can start with $20, 50, 60, $100. So the fact that you open the account, you can use fidelity.com because they are one of the company that you can use where it allows you to buy most penny stock. I'm not going to say all, but it allows you to buy most of them. The one that it doesn't allow you to buy, usually it's either something that's out of the country or either that um the company is not like moving around yet. Sometimes it will tell you what it will allow you to buy and what it will say, okay, this security is not a buy with our company. So you do need to, or you can use other sites like Moomoo or any other site that allows you to buy them, you can buy them. I mean, you don't necessarily have to use Fidelity, but Fidelity is the most flexible one that I have used, and that is been good as far as when it comes to penny stock. It allows you to buy most of them. Some of the company that I use, they either charge you a commissions fee when you sell and when you buy, so which is always eating portion of your money. So you always want to use something that's free and flexible. Okay, so we're gonna get to the point. As I mentioned to you with penny stocks, there's always you always have to be on top of it on a day-to-day basis. Yes, it can be a bit much, but that's what you have to do because if you're going to invest your money, you doing the research, you putting in the time, you have to watch if your money is making money for you. That's the whole point of investing because you want to be as you're sleeping at night, you want your money to make money for you. But with stocks, your money is making money for you during the day when the stock market is actually open. So on Monday morning, you either need to wake up super early or throughout Monday to Friday, you need to wake up super early, like 6 a.m. Get yourself ready, see if the market is going to make you money. If it's not going to make you money, usually if it's not going to make me money, I usually know ahead of time, not when the stock market open. Because if when the stock market open, usually I already know, okay, if I'm going to either buy today or if I'm going to sell. Because usually if it's all green, I know I'm going to be cash out. Yeah, I'm going to cash out. There's going to be money to be made. If it's is a red day, I know I'm going to have to buy because there's an opportunity for me to buy. So you have to look at it both way. So the day that are green, you're going to make money. The day that are red, you're going to buy because there's opportunity to buy. You always want to run to the fire. When you see a burning house, you see fire in it, you run to the fire. That's what stock is about. When you see it's like blood on the street, you go and buy if you have the resources to buy. Or you could buy as little and then wait until the market pull off again and then buy more. So that's what I do. With penny stocks, like if I want to test the penny stocks, I would buy like for 100. Like if the stock is new to me, I will buy for $100 because right now it's like me testing it to see what's the strength of the stock. Is it going to make me money? If I see that it shoot up to like 20, 30, 40, 50%, I'm like, okay, yes, there's possibility with that stock. I'm going to continue investing in it. But if I see a stock is just sitting there and it's not making me as much, or it's only making me 5%, 10%, I will wait until the stocks like shoot up and then sell out. And then find one that's continually making you money. Let me go to the stocks that are making us money right now, making me money. I don't know if you folks are doing it, but let me go over them. So Gig. Gig is a newer stock for me. So I bought it. I do see that it's working out. MBAV and MBAVW, that's one you can buy. If Fidelity doesn't allow you to buy, you can buy it at other stock company like Ally, Mumu, any other stock company that you have to have several accounts because some company may not allow you to buy certain stock. You have to have at least 2 or 3 stock portfolio. That way, if one company doesn't allow you to buy, you can buy at the others. So that's why you are flexible with buying these things. And then the Resolve, and then Resolve W. Anything that say W at the end is the warrants. The stock and the warrants, they are separate. So you have to, usually the warrants is cheaper than the stocks. And you can make a lot of money when it comes to the warrants because sometimes the warrants shoot up like 103%, 200%, or 1,000%. Some of the stocks I do see that they shoot up for like 1,000%, like something good happened to the stocks, like a company joined. Another company join, or either they somebody did some kind of an investment, a big company buy from that stock company, and their stock shoot up. Those are the time when you like, whoa, yes, good time, bought for me. And then the next one is the NUAI and NUAI. W, which is the warrant. Oh my God, this thing has been making me money so much. You need to, if you are able to, I'm not saying for you to buy a wholesale, but do your research and if you are able to buy, you decide on your own to buy it. But this thing has been making me money. DFLI and DFLIW, they have been making me money. Dragonfly, oh my God. Laser is one of the stocks. It's like a Lumina. I think it's like a light inside. They make light for the electrical cars. Like when you press the button, the light you see around the dashboard, around the start button. That's them making those lights for the cars, the electrical cars. Vivek. Vivek is a new stock for me, so I'm gonna get on it on Monday, coming up tomorrow. GSIP, which I already purchased it. RMSG and RMSGW, that's a real one. That one is really good. I think the stocks itself and the warrants, they are really good. Honda and HONW, look into them. So you always want to Google stocks before you buy them. See what the company is all about. It will give you an overview. Just go over it before you buy. That way you know what you're investing in. If the company is making money, that way you know ahead of time. Google is like the best of things that you can use to evaluate a stock before you buy it. DVLT. Oh my God, DVLT on Friday was like skyrocketing. The moon, the sun, the universe, it was like keep on shooting up and making money because I guess there's this company that WGRX, which I put at the bottom there. They are the one that involved with DVLT on Friday when the news break. That's both the DVLT and the WGRX. They were the one that was shooting up to the sky, moon, and back. Look into it. Boo and Boo W. That stock has been shooting up. So look into it. Buy as much as you can. if you are able to. RVPH and RVPHW, look into them. For me, most of them are more involved. I'm always buy. There's very few of them in there that I'm going to buy over the week coming up tomorrow, Monday. But most of them I'm already investing. I'm already making money off of them. So as I mentioned to you before, be smart, be on top of them. If you're going to invest in penny stocks and warrants, you need to be on top of them daily. Early morning, you need to be in front of your computer or either on your phone, wherever you are. By 9:30, you need to be like in your account, because these stocks, they make you money early morning, like 9 o'clock, 9:30. You need to be there in front of your computer or on your phone, because when they're shooting up, they shoot up really early morning. Sometimes you may see some of them shoot up like late in the midday, but early morning you need to be there. When they shoot up, you cash out. When they shoot down, usually, yes, it will shoot down like sometimes 20, 30, 40, 50%, just like when it will shoot up. So that's when you're going to buy super early in the morning. When they like bid down in the morning, you buy them, because at some point during the day, they're probably going to rise up. But when you see the market is green, you need to be in front of your computer by 9:15, 9:30. Your computer need to be open. Your account need to be open, ready to cash out. Simple, simple. Because some of these stocks, when you buy them, like the next day or 2 days from now or 3 days from now, they're already making you money. You need to get involved in it. And if you see a stock is continually making money, like most of these stocks here, you need to keep on investing in them. You need to pick out the one that are making you money the most. That's the one that you invest in the most. And you need to keep on top of the news to see what's going on with them. Because sometimes they join other company or other company join them. So that's usually a good thing, or other company are buying into them. You need to be there, making sure that you know there's good news going on and money needs to be made. Anything positive that happened to the company will happen to the stocks. The stock will shoot up. So that's why you always want to be in front of your computer, watching, ready to go. You need to be like a what do they call them again? A sniper. Like you ready, you laying down at the top of the roof, and then when the trigger, your hand is at the trigger. At any given time, you see the eyeball. Let it go. That's how you need to be with penny stocks. So I'll be speaking to you soon another time. So like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.